everybody, and welcome to my video that I want to introduce myself officially. My name is Shayla, and I'm one half of the duo who brings to you the Gemini Frequency channel. We try to focus our channel on meditation and self-care and positive thinking and the tools and some of the ideas that help you kind of focus on those arenas. Now, when I say we, it is run by me and my husband, Antonio. And we just wanted a community that we could create with people who are kind of going through the same thing that we were, which was, trying to find a place and a space of peace, a place of calm. We all have very busy lives. We have a super busy life. So we're married and we also have 6 kids, and three of those kids are homeschooled, and then we have a little 1 year old. And yeah, we got a lot going on. But what I wanted to do today was just talk about something very important to me, something that I do on a regular basis that I wanted to kind of bring to your attention and hopefully give you some ideas about. And that's journaling. This is one of my favorite journals that I have available. This says "You Are a Go-Getter." And I have another really cool one here that says "Possibilities." Another cool one just about happiness and confetti. That one is super funny. I have one that says "Fabulous." Look at that light shine there. But anyway, so what I wanted to just talk about was the concept of journaling. When you journal, what you're doing is you're taking your thoughts out of your head in that ether space, and you're putting them down on paper, and you're crystallizing them and making them hold a form. You're giving them life. You're giving those thoughts life. So when you journal, it's a fresh journal that I'm opening up too. So you put that over there. So for instance, today is September 8th. So we're just going to start off and then just say September 8th. What was on my mind today is I have a specific meditation that I like to do at the end of my day, and it is called the Ho'oponopono meditation. It is an ancient Hawaiian meditation, and it's actually just 4 simple but very impactful statements. And those statements are, number 1, I'm sorry. Number 2, please forgive me. Number 3 is I love you. And number 4 is thank you. So those 4 statements they seem very simple, right? But they actually are very, very powerful when you meditate on them and you spend time thinking about them one on one. First one, I'm sorry. You don't necessarily have to be saying I'm sorry to somebody in particular. You can also be talking to yourself. And from when I say talk to yourself, I don't mean sit in the corner and, rock back and forth. I'm saying come from the premise of your higher power and speak to yourself. And if there's anything that you've been going through, anything that you feel that you've been hard on yourself about, just say, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry I've been hard on you about, things at work, or hard on you about things not being perfect at home. I'm sorry. And the next one naturally is please forgive me. This can be, again, to yourself. If you know that you've been doing things where you haven't been giving as much self-care, you can say, please forgive me. And just spend your time. You can repeat them over and over again, or you can just say it one time and just, ponder on it and think about it. The third one, I love you. That obviously you need to say that to yourself. I can't tell you how many friends that I've talked to when I ask them, when is the last time that you said I love you to yourself? And the answer is always, I don't know. So if you haven't done it, I urge you to look in the mirror today or just think about it and say, I love you to yourself, especially if you don't have anybody in your life right now that is reciprocating that feeling to you. You need to love yourself. So make sure that you use that statement on yourself daily if possible, or just whenever you're feeling down and out, make sure that you use that statement on yourself. And then, of course, thank you. Thank you is a very high vibration statement that holds so much value because it's centered in gratitude. And gratitude is one of the highest emotions that we can have on the vibration frequency emotional scale. So, those four statements together, when you spend time with them, again, they're known as the Ho'oponopono meditation. And I plan on doing that meditation for you guys coming up soon with a video, and I'll set it to some nice background music to kind of calm you down. But those four statements, if you even start journaling with them, they are an excellent prompt because a lot of times people tell me that they want to journal, but they don't necessarily know what they want to say or what they want to write about. So it's a very good prompt. So just remember, get yourself a favorite journal. Make sure that they're, really nice so that you feel good when you look at them. They are, something that you can hold, not even just like a diary. A diary is definitely something for your thoughts, but a journal is a little bit more of an active item, something that you want to really be doing for, processing your emotions, processing your thoughts, and getting your things out. So I just wanted to, again, introduce myself directly and give you some ideas to work on for self care. I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos that we've been uploading. Yeah, so I greatly appreciate you checking us out and giving us a chance as we try to grow our channel. And I hope you subscribe and come back and visit us again soon.